Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with the essentials. Power down, remove and reseat the SIM, then restart the phone to force a fresh registration attempt. Once done, check that airplane mode is off and that the carrier name or signal bars appear. This rules out basic blocking. Next, open settings and confirm the SIM and IMEI are recognized. If the IMEI is missing, the phone cannot register on the network. Doing these steps now narrows down hardware versus software causes quickly. Once the SIM and IMEI check out, force the phone to reselect the network manually. Go to Mobile Networks, search, and pick your carrier. Make sure the preferred network type matches your plan. Switch between 4G and 3G if needed, because mismatches can show no network. Then reset the APN to default so mobile data and registration parameters are correct. If issues persist, update the system software, clear the cache partition, or boot to safe mode. To rule out apps, if everything else fails, back up your data and perform a factory reset. This removes stubborn software corruption that blocks network registration. Before sending the phone for repair, swap the SIM into another device and try a different SIM in your Techno. This isolates carrier versus handset faults. Finally, contact your carrier to confirm provisioning and check for network outages. Troubleshooting tip. If intermittent service remains, request a SIM replacement, often cheap, and that single swap resolves many network not available errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.